Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Two areas on a C8 Corvette where you might want to think about blocking debris from getting into either the intake on the side of the car or the front bumper getting into the fins of the radiator, causing damage. Well, there's a fix. Today we're going to fix one of them. The Paragon Performance C8 style intake guard here, $199.99. Will stop road debris. It is CNC laser cut aluminum, powder coated finish. The kit has everything you need. You just need to supply the tools, the two guards, the hardware pack, some alcohol wipes, and adhesive primer as well. We're ready to go. This is the opening for the intake on the driver's side. As you can see, anything can get in here. Leaves, debris. The first thing we want to do is remove the T25 screw that secures and holds together the bottom of the quarter panel to the rocker panel. You can reach in there with an extension and remove it. I will do my best to show everything I'm doing. It's a little tight in here, it's a little dark, but I will get every angle I can so you can see exactly what needs to be done. When the screw is just about ready to release, get your hand in there and catch it. If it drops down to the bottom of the intake, it's going to be hard to find. The next step, locate the foils that contain little towelettes soaking in cleaners and primers and clean the areas I'm pointing to here. Yeah, it's a little concerning that a lot of the contact and secure points for the guards are double-sided tape more than screws and brackets, but that's the way it is, so let's continue on. Tell you what, with the angle of the sun, I'm going to jump over to the passenger side. I believe you're going to get a better view with more light on this side. So let me remove the screw that holds the bottom of the quarter panel on the passenger side here. Then we want to get into the double-sided tape, and one of the stripes we want to cut in half. The C-clamps with threads to secure the guard is going to be slid over these holes right here. Next step, we will be placing the double-sided tape in these exact areas on the brackets. There are two brackets, by the way, a U-shaped bracket, an L-shaped bracket. So grab the U-shaped bracket, and this will be secured where we removed the screw that holds the bottom of the quarter panel together, just like so. Snug it up. Do not over-tighten, which can happen easily. That bracket is secure. Grab the L-shaped bracket and secure it right where I was pointing to there. This gets wrapped in around the back of the panel and is held on by the double-sided tape. So hold it on there, maybe warm it up a little bit, and squeeze it. Make sure it's secure. Then we're going to go back in to the guard itself, and 2 pieces of double-sided tape remaining. They will go right in these areas I'll show you right here. Back outside, time to install the guard itself and secure it. It's dark, it's tight, it's hard to see. Take your time. Position the guard so you can get it up in there, and reposition so you can secure it. You'll see exactly where it goes. The shape and where the brackets get attached to the panels, they are hard to miss. The guard will not go all the way up to the top of the opening. It goes about 3/4 of the way up. That's the way it's designed. Go back in, grab the 2 remaining screws, and secure the guard to the brackets that we installed earlier. Hand tight, you can finish it off with the Allen key or the driver. One down, one to go. Do not over tighten the second one here. It could pull the bracket away from the inside of the panel. That's only held on by double-sided tape. Just snug it down. Nothing to it. Piece of cake. We're finished, and this is what it should look like. And now that we've had our hands on it most of the day, it's time to clean it up. And we might as well keep the camera rolling and finish it, starting with the wheels. Wheels are clean, can't stop there. Now the body. And that will take care of this task. When we have an open slot, we will put the guards in for the front bumper to protect the fins of the radiator, and we'll get more footage of that as well. I will include a link down below for the guards for those C8 owners. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.